Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher Abdul Basir and you're watching Info Portal. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you that how to become fluent in English. Most of the students usually ask me that how to improve fluency. So I assure you that if you follow these 5 tips, 100% you will improve, inshallah. So let's begin. Number 1, start with believing in yourself. Number 1, start with believing in yourself. No work can be done perfectly until you don't believe in yourself. So never say I can't, always say I can. Tip number 2, keep your ears open. English is everywhere. It is in online videos, news channels, on radio. So listen and build your vocabulary. Tip number 3, make the mirror your best friend. Make the mirror your best friend. Stand in front of the mirror, speak to it in English, and it will make you feel confident about the way you are speaking. Keep calm and don't worry about grammar. Remember, even those who speak English fluently make grammatical mistakes, but what they do right is communicate without worrying about them. Number 5, tip number 5, practice, practice, practice till it makes you perfect. There are no shortcuts in life, definitely no shortcuts to learn English. So, guys, these were the 5 tips I used to follow. Never give up and practice, practice, and practice. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.